Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing how to create validation dropdowns in Google Sheets. The process is just simple. So this is an attrition data set. Okay. So attrition is nothing but whether the person will leave the company or not, depending upon different factors like daily rate, their business travels, departments they work at, distance from their home, educations, then gender, then employee number, education field that they are working with. So likewise, we'll be considering different factors. Now, in order to create a drop-down menu, okay, so now what we are going to do is just select a specific column. First, let us create a drop-down validation for our education column. So let's select the entire column, okay, then move on to data. Under data, there is an option called as data validation, okay. Once after selecting this, we have an option called as add rules. So in case of add rules, okay, we can just confine each and every data. So it will be providing you the total range of the column it has selected. Now what you are going to do, we are going to create a drop down menu. Okay. So in our education column, we have like different fields. We have 7 different fields starting from education field, human resources. So here, these are the unique categories under that specific column. You can confine, okay, whether you want to showcase education field, or if you want to delete it, you can delete it specifically. Okay, we have a delete option. Or if you want to change the name of that particular label, then that can also be changed. Okay, and then you can change the colors also for each and every categories. Okay, like education fields, this is under education fields, we are having like 6 different unique values. Let's provide different colors for each and every sections. Okay, I hope you will be able to see the changes. Like we can provide different colors for medical, had a big do. So we'll be able to see the color changes. Okay, so once after creating it, we can provide that. Now, if a new column or new row is being generated, now we'll be able to see different options. So you can change in accordance with it. So this is how we'll be creating different drop-down menus for each and every columns. So let's create one more drop-down option, okay, for our department column. So let us choose it. If you want to add one more rule, okay. So if you want to add one more rule, so it will be providing you. So since the column is being selected, automatically the range will be provided, okay. And then under department column, okay, this is our column name. We can provide separate colors. Okay, under our department column, we have 3 different categories. And for those, each and every categories, what we are going to do, we are going to do provide different colors. Okay, such that you'll be able to see the variations. And for each and every rows, a drop-down option will be provided. That's the end of creating validation drop-downs in Google Sheets. Thank you.